So this is our camp spot near, right near the hut. Absolutely gorgeous. So little campfire going there. I'm just going for a walk down the river. You can probably hear the boys in the background. They're already down here having a bit of a swim. So we'll see if we can catch them in the freezing cold bloody King River. Glad it's them, not me. As you can see, it's only a 20-minute walk from camp, so it's nice and close. So here they are.
Hey Ross!
Shorty! Isaac! Don't stop.
Cherokee Master must continue.
Was this the deep one?
Yeah. Windows up or down?
Down.
My lady was just like, what? I was pretty good eye.
Hang on, I'm lucky to see these guys.
You're the biggest sook.
We're taking the hard line.
Yeah, we are, aren't we?
Yep.
Now. It's just that bit back. Oh no, there's still another bit. Oh, it's funny. Okay, no. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
Rock steps.
Wheels in the air, actually. Yeah, that was pretty good.
You having fun, Nick?
Yeah.
You going up there?
Hey, good. What's wrong with the angles? Don't talk angles.
having fun?
Yes, this is awesome.
How you going, Sean?
Yeah, good. Shut yourself a couple of times. Yeah. Yep.